Welcome to Study Loop.
In this question, we have been given the power series of two functions. F of x has the power series 2 plus 5x plus 4x square plus 3x cube and so on. Whereas g of x has the power series representation 6 plus 25x plus 43x square plus 52x cube and so on. We have to find what is the coefficient when we divide these two. Okay, and let's say h of x is equals to g of x divided by f of x, which is given to be c naught plus c1x c2x square and so on. We have to find out the value to find the coefficients c0, c1, c2 and c3. Okay, so let us see how can we do this. Since we have this h of x multiplied with f of x will give you g of x. Okay, so we can use that property, and h of x is given to be c0 plus c1x c2x square plus c3x cube and so on, multiplied with f of x, which is 2 plus 5x plus 4x square and so on. This is equals to g of x, which is 6 plus 25x plus 43x square plus 52x cube and so on. Okay, so we'll just multiply and then we compare the terms. So 2 times of c0 we get first. Okay, then c0 multiplied with this term, what I'm going to get, it will be 5c0 times of x, then 4c0 times x square, and then 3 is the next term, 3x cube here. Okay, so I will get 3c0 x cube. Correct. So this is what I will get with c0, and then I will multiply with c1. So I will get 2c1x plus 5c1 x square plus 4c1 x cube and so on. Correct. Then I will write the coefficient with c2. So I will get 2c2 x square plus 5c2 x cube and so on. Similarly, I will write with c3 as well. So I will get 2c3 x cube plus 5c3 x raised to 4 and so on. And right hand side we are having this 6 plus 25x plus 43x square plus 52x cube and so on. Correct. Now let us see how can we do this. So what's the next step? So just compare the coefficients. So comparing the coefficient, let us see what we are going to get. So this will give us, if I compare the constant, I will get 2c0 here. That is the only constant. And on the right hand side it is 6. So I get c0 equal to 3. So this is my one coefficient. Now compare the coefficient of x. So I have this 5c0 x plus 2c1 here. So it will be 2c1 equals to, the right hand side I have 25. So from this I can get 5 times of c0 is 3 plus 2c1 equals to 25. This will give me 25 minus 15 is 10. So I will get c1 value to be equal to 5. Similarly, if I compare the coefficient of x square, okay, so what I have on the left hand side is 4c0 plus 5c1 plus 2c2, and this is given to be equal to 43. Now I know the value of c0 and c1. So 4c0 will become 12 plus 5c1 is 25 plus 2 times of c2 equals to 43. So this will implies that the value of c2 will be what? 25 plus 12 is equal to 37. 43 minus 37 is 4, correct, and divided by 2. This is what I am going to get. Sorry, here it will be 43 minus 37 is 6 divided by 2. So this is nothing but equal to 3. So I'm getting C0 value to be equal to 3. Now we'll compare the coefficient of x cube, correct? So here I am having 3c0 plus 4c1, correct? 3c0 plus 4c1, then I have 5c2 and 2 times of c3. This is what I have, and on the right hand side the coefficient is given to be 52. Now let us see how can we do this. So the next step is to put all the values. So 3c0 means 9, 4c1 is 4 times 5 which is 20, 5c2 that is 15 plus twice of c3 equals to 52. So this will implies 29, 5 is 34, and this will be on the left hand side we have constant 44. So 2c3 equals to 52 minus 44 is 8. So this will implies value of c3 comes out to be equal to 4.